It looks better than my hair.
You put the pants up. Are you taking a picture of the pants?
Uh-huh.
I'll take a picture. It's quite an intricate process.
Yeah?
You put it in there. And you flip it around. And you turn it.
So you got all these down.
What are we going to do about that little closet?
Just take the molding off, yeah.
Okay.
Leave the door and
And
stuff.
sew the shelves.
Yes. Okay, I'll catch you later.
I will remove anybody's paneling for $49.95.
Okay, I got you lots of jobs lined up.
No, $4,995.
Oh, tell us what's behind the wall there. That's plaster. And you say that, and you used all your power
Yeah.
and got rid of that much plaster.
Yes.
And said, okay, we're gonna let Jerry do it.
I know, it's like wood. We're gonna have to like.
That's what it is, it's lath. That's what they used to build walls with.
Man, they finally got smart and they got dumber.
I say we try to get it off.
We're going in until Jerry comes.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
So we're gonna put a beam up at the top there. Put these two rooms together. So they got it out enough so we know they can bring the beam over to here. And we got it started a little bit on this side. You can see the back of the fireplace chimney. So we're gonna be able to put our beam, 16-foot beam right up there. Take this little wall out and run it to there. So there we're at. Wow, the wall's out. That is so neat. So excited.
As soon as we pop up the ceiling, we're gonna be taking it down. So it'll probably all have to come down because it's all cracked.
Oh, crack.
If we put drywall up there, it's still gonna be cracked. It's not gonna change it. So I think we need to take it down because that's a hazard.
Okay.
Here's the beam. They're gonna laminate together. It's a 16-footer. Gets to go behind the chimney now, so I'm excited about that. There goes the wall. The wall's gone. You working on the 16-foot beam?
Yeah, we're working on this. We're gonna put it on right now.
Right now, it's all done?
Yep.
We got half the beam in. It gets to go behind the chimney. Before it was just going to go to here because they didn't know how the chimney was behind the wall. But it's 16 foot in there and it's going to be gorgeous. Our first stove sitting on the porch by itself. Getting on the sheetrock. And today's only the 4th day. Oh, there you are. Hi.
Tell the camera.
We put it here and put it here and they're different. We put shades. Good. This is power out there, but we can't do it till after we drive.
Oh, okay.
This and that, we pull them out, we put spacers.
This is going to be our master bath. What you're looking at right here is the old closet for the hall. And also it included a little tiny closet for this bedroom. Now this was our second bedroom on the first floor. We called it the pink room. And it was part of the old house. The very first part of the house, which we think was late 1800s. They had to take all those sticks off and all the plaster. It was horrible. Okay, so this part was the little tiny closet that went to the bedroom. And then this part was the hall closet on the outside. And we're going to combine it with a couple of square feet in this room You can see the sticks right there, still on the wall for that one. So it's been kind of a difficult project. So they're going to take that window out so that we can use this for a bathroom. So that's our update for today. It's Sunday, so nobody's working today. Let's see what they're doing in here today. We've been working on the master bath, which used to be a bedroom. The door was right here from the other side of the house. And we closed it off. And you walk around here. We took the closets out and they're closed off because that's now the master closet. Smile, you're on candid camera. How's it going, guys?
Well, we're putting the plumbing, but we
Wow!
have to reroute, but we're getting there. I need to vent that pipe and the blue line and red line, so we gotta bring them down around up. That's nothing.
Okay.
Nothing drain in.
Oh, wow! Beautiful! It's awesome.
Look at laying on the bottom.
And the tiles going in the shower. And the ceiling is all cracked. It's the old ceiling. And there's our new light, shower light, and our master closet light. Who knew it was so hard to get parquet up, right?
Yeah.
So we have to make this floor even with the other floor. So we have to bring this one down to that 2x4. And then we have to bring that one up to that floor.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
We are chiseling off parquet, wood parquet. It has about a 1/2 inch thick glue. And you can't get it off like they do on YouTube. You have to chisel it off. So this is a giant sculpture. We're learning how to do wood
It's like
sculpture.
Mount Rushmore, only
Yes.
smaller.
They break into 1,000,000 pieces. But we gotta do it ourselves because we don't trust anybody else to not come in here and make the whole floor 2 inches higher. We've had some bad experiences already, believe it or not.
No, we watch YouTube only after we've done something so we can find out how long we did it.
They only had like a smear of glue on there. We had like a cup of glue on there.
Yeah, they bring this stuff up like they're raining leaves, and we feel like we're Michelangelo and David.
Yeah. No, at least it's just in this window. How many square feet is this about? 150.
For what we're doing, too many.
To get it started, and then get a bigger crowbar.
Swinging on that thing for 2 days now. Get the big gun. Show them your golf swing. 4.
2 inches of flooring. Well, looks like I got it.
Here. The subfloor? Oh, not half as good as I crashed it and dented it. I've seen less cheese in a fondue pot than I've seen under these parquet tiles.
Yeah. See if we can get a whole parquet out at once. It's rare that it happens, parquet.
Got it.
But
Parquet.
almost.
It's always important to keep a clean work area because parquet flooring's got these little wires in it. And if you sit on just right, they poke up through your blue jeans and go, ow.
Yeah. I could go for some nachos right now.
Sometimes when you have a job like this, you just settle in and just do it. You go, okay, I'm gonna be here for a week.
Or sometimes you run away and hide.
It's one of those little coin hammer tables. And your little...
I know my folks are getting me ready for something when I have one of those little plastic work benches.
It's like you're putting this stuff down and you go, you know, in about 40 years, somebody's gonna pull this stuff up and it's gonna be hard and they're gonna kiss.
They have a little spigot. They just
I know!
run it along and it just pops up like the two.
I know, it's like, oh, my shit broke in my bed. Or I'm raking leaves on a fall day. Here it's like, I'm working in a coal mine for crying out loud. Also, wear protective eye care whenever you're using an impact tool. And then, especially if the work's real hard, then your goggles fog up, you can't see what you're doing, and therefore it's not as bad.
We are all done with this floor. Taking up the parquet. Right, babe?
Right.
Right.
This is a tough job, but somebody had to do it. Parquet, better.
So our parquet.
Luke, I am your father.